Hello, Tyler Wilkins here with CenterPointe Yacht Services in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough video of Buster Jones here. It's a 1987 Nonsuch 30. I'm going to try and give you an idea of the overall condition. You can see the hull's dirty, and the bottom paint's not exactly pretty. But I don't see any major blemishes in the blue hull side. Needs a good bath. And a few nicks. Bow pulpit with an anchor. There's a Lumar windlass up there. It's currently May of 2020. We are into launch season. Obviously this one is not going in the water yet. Was in the water last year. Looks like we've got a feather and prop. Flexofold. Nice swim platform on the back here. Make it easier for me to get up right now. Looks like a propane grill. Cockpit cushions. B&G electronics. Nice modern electronics. Here's the instrument gauges for the Westerbeke generator, or not generator, engine, I'm sorry. There is no hour meter on it. There's controls for the windlass. Just gonna kind of walk the hull, the deck sides, see if I feel any soft spots or anything. Nothing that I can feel. Nice little screen vent holes. Looks like they're using the shower for storage. Just trying to get a good view of all the woodwork. So feel free to ask questions. On this video, I respond to everybody that asks anything. You can also find the ad on Yacht World or CenterPointeService.com with still photos and descriptions. Needs a good cleaning, but most of the woodwork and most of the boat systems seem to be in overall good shape. Just needs a new owner and a little love. I'm constantly posting more videos. Please subscribe, like the video if you've enjoyed it. That'll encourage me to do more on all my other listings. Thanks for watching.